Located in Georgetown, this townhouse, completely rebuilt in 2019, offers an open floor plan on the main level, featuring a beautiful custom kitchen with lots of cabinetry, stainless steel appliances, quartz countertops, a large breakfast bar, and a walkout to a covered patio area. The living room is open to the kitchen and features large windows with views of the backyard, as well as light vinyl plank flooring. The primary bedroom, located on the main level, features a large walk-in closet with a custom built-in closet system. The main bathroom features a large walk-in shower and a vanity with storage. The laundry room is located on the main level, equipped with a newer washer and dryer, and features built-in cabinetry. The lower level features a large living room, an additional living area or guest bedroom, a half bath that is ready to accommodate a shower, and a utility room.